Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Emirates NBD how to activate card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first method that you can use is activate via ATM. Visit any Emirates NBD ATM, then insert your new card and enter the PIN if you have received one. Then simply follow the on-screen instructions to activate the card. Your card is now ready for use at POS terminals, online and ATMs. The next method is activate via mobile app. Simply open up your NBD X app and then log into your account. And once logged in, select cards and then select activate card. Now select a new card from the list, then enter the last 4 digits of your card and follow the instructions. Your card will be activated instantly for use. Next method that you can use is activate via phone. Call Emirates NBD customer care number, which is 600540000 within the UAE, and outside UAE +971 600540000. Then select card services and request to activate your card. Verify your identity, then once done, your card will be activated immediately. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.